Now let us discuss about intermediate first year physics model paper. And intermediate first year physics model paper consisting of total marks 60 marks, where it contains 3 different sections. First sections carries 2 marks questions, okay, which are called very short answer questions. There will be 10 questions. We need to attempt all the questions compulsory. So 10 questions into 2 marks, so total 20 marks. Okay, then after short answer questions, where there will be 8 questions given, but we need to attend only 6 questions. Each carries 4 marks, so 6 4s are 24 marks. Then after long answer questions, 3 questions will be given. We need to attempt only 2 questions. Each question carries 8 marks, so 8 2s are 16 marks. So this total comprises of 60 marks paper. Now very short answer questions will start from question number 1 to question number 10, okay, and 4 marks questions means short answer questions will start from question number 11 to question number 18. Then after long answer questions starts from question number 19 to question number 21. Okay, now this is a model paper inter first year physics and even for second year physics also. Okay, now let us discuss about weightage of the questions. Weightage అంటే ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తాయి అనేది వెయిటేజ్ అని అంటాం. మనకు ప్రీవియస్గా అంటే 10th క్లాస్ ఇట్లా కాకుండా సిసిఈ ప్యాటర్న్లో కాకుండా మనకి ఇక్కడే 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి వస్తాయి, 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి వస్తాయి, 8 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి వస్తాయి అనేది ముందుగానే మనకు బోర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటుంది. దాన్నే వెయిటేజ్ అని అంటాం. దాని ప్రకారం మనం చదువుకుంటూ పోతే చాలా ఈజీగా స్కోర్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో అది చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజ్ ఉంటుంది. దాని ప్రకారంగా చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు, ఓకేనా. ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందో చూస్తే ప్రిపరేషన్కి కూడా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నౌ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ చాప్టర్ నెంబర్ 1, which is the physical world. Name of the chapter is physical world. In physical world, no long question, no short answer question, but there will be only one very short answer question. Okay, next chapter number 2, which is units and measurement. Units and measurements. In this also no long question, no short answer question, and only one very short answer question, nothing but 2 marks from this chapter. Okay, next third chapter, motion in a straight line. Okay, now this one also there is no long question from this chapter, but there is a 4 marks question, 1 4 marks question, and no 2 marks questions. Okay, next chapter number 4, motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Okay, so no long answer question, but 1 4 marks question, 1 2 marks question. Okay, so total weightage for this chapter is 6 marks. Okay, then chapter number 5, laws of motion. No long question, but one 4 marks question, one 2 marks question, so total 6 marks from this chapter. Next, 6th chapter, work, energy and power. Okay, from this chapter there is a long question, nothing but 8 marks question, and there is no 4 marks question, no 2 marks question. Okay, next 7th chapter, system of particles and rotational motion, where there is no long question in the chapter. There are 2 4 marks questions, or sometimes we may get 1 4 marks question from this chapter. If we get 2 4 marks questions, and there will be no very short answer questions, or else if we get only 1 4 marks question from this chapter, then there will be 2 2 marks questions. Okay, this is a system from 7th chapter. Now we go for 8th chapter. 8th chapter, oscillations, where we'll have again long questions from this chapter, 1 long question and no 4 marks and no 2 marks question. Next, 9th chapter, which is gravitation. From gravitation chapter, no long question, only 1 4 marks question and no 2 marks question. And then 10th chapter, mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids, where no long question but only 1 4 marks question and no 2 marks questions. Okay, then 11th chapter, mechanical properties of fluids. Mechanical properties of fluids. So no long question, no short answer question, but there are 2 very short answer questions, means 2 marks questions 2. Next, 12th chapter, thermal properties of matter. Okay, thermal properties of matter. In this chapter, no long question, and if we get 1 or 2 4 marks questions. If we get 1 4 marks questions, there will be 2 very short answer questions. If we get 2 4 marks questions, there will be no 2 marks questions. Okay, like this there will be a weightage for 12th chapter. Now 13th chapter, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics chapter contain a long answer question and no 4 marks, no 2 marks questions. And last chapter, kinetic theory. Kinetic theory, where we have no long question, no 4 marks question, but 2 marks questions. 2 marks questions. Okay, now this is the weightage of the first year physics chapter, nothing but syllabus and weightage. Now how many long questions are there? 1 long question from 6th chapter, 1 long question from 8th chapter, one long question from 13th chapter. So how many total long questions are there? So 3 total long questions. Okay, long answer questions are 3. We need to write 2. Then again, how many 4 marks questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 4 marks questions are there, and we need to attempt only 6. Okay, then after 2 marks questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 2 marks questions. Okay, now this is a weightage of the question paper first year physics, which includes 14 chapters. Okay.